share with you how to make HD full screen thumbnails for free in just few minutes. So first you need to go to your device to open your CapCut. CapCut is open. Now you need to go to the project and you need to open your desired video or any small video. Let's say I want to make a thumbnail from here and drag the video here, and if you want to make it from this video, you can select any point from here on this video and make your thumbnail. But I want to make it from my device. I have pictures on device, so I can take it from here. Go to my device and add one image like this one, and then I will go to edit. Now this many design and templates will appear here. I can select from here to, like, if it's a video about food, travel or anything. Let's say I can select sports. So I can choose any option, any design, any template, but let me choose this one. And with this one I can do my video title here. I will select the other one for training. And then I can change the shadow for this, like this one, and I can change the stroke color to be this one, and also change the many other things, but I will let it like this. So this is my video's title, and I can expand this image to as large as I want. If I want to add more text, I can just copy paste this one or add some text. Text from here, just add a title. So I added like another title. Boost your core. Then I want to reduce the size for this one. Could be 21 or 20. And then I want to close this. And I will put this title here. Down at this bottom. Here, and I want to change its appearance, so I'll go towards shadow, and in the shadow I can choose this one. Then I want to add the glow. For glow I could choose this, and then it will be saved. Now my thumbnail is saved here, and I want to export it. So I can export it to my device with Game 3 name, and it's 4K, and let's export.
We actually want to borrow the therapy band we have or no?
This one?
Which one is more lighter? This one's light.
Thumbnail is exported. Now you can go to your folder to find it, So game 3 is here, and here is my HD thumbnail. The more good picture you add, the more the look will be good, and you can have a full screen thumbnail for your YouTube directly. You don't need to resize and edit it. Thank you for watching.